Hi everyone, welcome to Many Makes. Today we seem to be missing someone. This is my sister Charlie. Today we are going to be doing a game day with snacks! Let's teleport inside. Alright, we're back. So the first recipe we are going to be making are chips and vegetables. So what you'll need is some vegetables like carrots, cucumbers, tomatoes, peas, and you can just chop them up. You'll also need a wrap for the chips.
We'll need to chop them up into little pieces.
So you'll need to place the chips one by one onto the plate. You'll need to wipe the chips with olive oil, and we're just using a pastry brush. We actually forgot to preheat the oven, so you'll need to preheat the oven to 180 degrees or 350 Fahrenheit. You need to sprinkle the chips with salt. So I'm just sprinkling salt onto these chips. So you'll need to put the chips in the oven for 3 minutes. Okay, so our chips are done. And now we're going to put them in the bowl and then have our vegetables on the side, and we'll start serving this up. So we've got our chips and we've got like a drink station here with just some fizzy drinks, and we'll just start setting up the game day. Hi guys, thanks for watching this video. It was really fun to make and I had a lot of fun with my sister. So our cousins came over and they ate all the snacks and they said they were a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you like the channel, like this video if you like this video, and if you want to leave any comments, that'd be great. We really appreciate them. Alright, bye! Hi everyone, welcome to Many Makes. So today we are going to be not alone today. I messed it up! So you'll need to wipe the chips with olive oil, and we're just using a pastry brush.